Hold on, there's so much in my stomach. I need to be burped.
Another gordita. Well, I can't.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, remember when we were babies?
Oh, heavens.
It's like,
Oh, yeah.
Let's open them up.
Jesus, Keith. No, if I believe it.
oh, excuse me.
Bless you.
It's not a quesadilla, Bell.
Okay. Oh, I'm getting full.
Okay.
Okay, well.
I don't know.
They're sweet.
This is the bacon.
Oh, God.
Excuse me.
Oh, God. You know, there's nothing like eating after someone's burped in your face.
I didn't burp in your face, I burped right there.
Well,
You want me to burp in your face next time?
No.
I'll show you what it feels like. Next burp, it's coming to you.
No, nobody wants this.
And it's time for everybody's favorite segment. Hello, Keith burps on Alex.
who doesn't love...
Oh my God. Sweet Joey. Sweet Joey.
How was it?
Oh, my God.
Was it different than the first time?
I think I'm gonna cry. Like singed my eyelashes
Oh
off.
God.
Nice.
It's different.
Oh, whoa. A lot of burps.